crew, please prepare for takeoff.
Ugh, I can't find anything in this mess. Where's my screwdriver? Where's my wrench? Why does this always happen? Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong, modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Check out this adjustable French Cleat hand tool holder. It securely holds up to 7 tools and adapts to your needs with fully adjustable slots. Just remove or rearrange a slot to customize it for pliers, drill bit boxes, utility knives, wrenches, and more. The possibilities are endless. Ready to transform your workshop? Don't wait. Grab your adjustable French Cleat hand tool holder and discover even more innovative storage solutions at frenchcleatsolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.